Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and we're on a 2025 Harris Grand Mariner. One of the nicest pontoon boats that you'll ever get on, the Grand Mariners. I've got all the goodies on them, all the bells and whistles. Starting back here in the back, this one's got the tow arch back here. Nice, easy place to hook up for pulling tubes, skiers, wakeboarders. Plenty of power too, because this one's got a 300 horsepower Mercury on it. You want some people watching your skiers and tubers? Look at this nice big seat that we've got. It's a reversible, so we can flip this. So we've got a aft-facing lounge seat, or if I flip that back the other way, then we've got a triple wide forward-facing seat on that. You can also see that this boat has got the water sports, the activity tower, so it's got a pull point from up on top of it too. So you want to pull the wakeboarders from up there. It's got a really nice big bimini top. Check out these captain's chairs on here with the flip up armrests on it. Beautiful captain's chair on that side too. Tilt steering wheel. Simrad digital dash. So you've got your GPS, your depth finder, everything's right there in front of you. Lots of room in the front of this boat as well. You can comfortably fit 6-8 people in the bow of this boat. This boat is located at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. If you want to come take a look at it, give us a call here at 904-338-9970.